Hey guys, this is Jam of JamOnline.ph and welcome back to my channel, and today magkakameron tayo ng hands-on and unboxing ng latest smartwatch ni Huawei, the Huawei Watch 3. So, ano bang interesting dito? Well, first, it's running on HarmonyOS. Basically, this one comes with third-party applications na. Yes, you could install that one using the Huawei app gallery that is pre-installed on the Huawei Watch 3. Of course, meron tayo ditong water and dust resistance. Meron tayo pa mga programs for workout. Marami tayong mga features dito, including a brand new temperature sensor, of course, the VO2 sensor, the heart rate sensor, and a lot more. So, pag-uusapan natin yan mamaya. But ang pinaka-interesting dito, aside sa HarmonyOS, is that this one comes with support sa eSIM. Basically, if you got an eSIM, pwede nyo siyang install dito sa Huawei Watch 3. So, ano ba bang inaantay natin? Panoorin nyo na yung unboxing ko dito and hands-on sa Huawei Watch 3. So, this is the Huawei Watch 3's box, and as you can see in here, explore it on the Huawei app gallery. So, we got here the watch, the download link to the Huawei Health app, and also the warranty card. We also got here the wireless charger, which is a 10 watts charger, and yes, it is magnetic. So there we go. Those are just some of the things that we can check out inside the Huawei Watch 3. So I've already set it up on my smartphone, and yes, I've downloaded the Huawei Health application. So in case you're not using a Huawei smartphone, that is not a problem. You can still download that on your Android smartphone. So let's talk about first the looks, the design, and the hardware of this one. So first, we got here the fluoro elastomer band of the watch, and as you can see in here, it's beautiful. It's like rubber, and if you've touched the Apple Watch before, it's very similar to that. And we got here a lot of holes in here. Basically, we could adjust this one whether you have a small wrist or a big wrist. This one wouldn't be a problem to you. Alright, so we also got here the AMOLED display. As you can see in here, it's an always-on display. So kahit na wala kayong hindi kayo nakatingin do sa watch, it's still on. You can still check out the time of this one. And below, you could see in here that we got here the different sensors of the Huawei Watch 3. And mamaya pag-uusapan natin yung mga sensors na meron dito sa Huawei Watch 3. On the side, we still got here the two buttons, but this time this is actually a crown or a watch or a wheel, just like a normal or a regular watch. You can use this one for zooming in and zooming out, and of course the different applications pag scrolling dito sa Huawei Watch 3. So this button naman is actually a shortcut sa different applications na included dito sa Huawei Watch 3. Whatever that you want, well, pwede nyo iset dito manually. And for me, I've set it up to the temperature sensor. So we have here different watch faces for the Huawei Watch 3. So as you can see in here, I got here the digital one with a background. Of course, holding that one, makikita nyo, marami pa tayong mga included na watch face for this one. So we got here my favorite watch face. So as you can see in here, we got here the weather, the time, and of course the shortcut for the notepad. Basically, I can record audio recordings dito. We got here a built-in microphone, so that won't be a problem on the Huawei Watch 3. But here's the interesting part. You can actually customize this one. So as you can see in here, you can remove. There we go. Or you can customize each one of the widgets. So for the weather, you can change it to calendar. And the other one, the notepad, you can actually change it for the music player. But I prefer the notepad because I want to record yung audio madalas ng mabilisan. Of course, there are a lot of watch faces that you can download on the application, and different watch faces offers different always-on display. So as you can see in here, this is the always-on display for that watch face. So, going naman tayo dito, this one runs on HarmonyOS. That's why we got here the app gallery. We also got here a lot of applications pre-installed. But before that, let's go back to the Huawei watch face ng Watch 3. And then as you can see in here, we got here still the shortcuts for the heart rate sensor. 24/7 tayo dito if you want. We also got here a brand new sensor, which is temperature sensor, which is really helpful ngayong nasa pandemic if you want to monitor temperature. Of course, this one monitors the temperature of your wrist. So this one is different do sa body temperature nyo. So as you can see in here, the normal temperature of the skin ranges from 32 degrees to 34 degrees. Of course, hindi lang yon, meron pa tayo nung dati nating VO2 sensor, the blood oxygen, and this time we got here 24/7 monitoring. You can enable that, but of course it will drain a lot of battery compared dun sa manual natin na pag-record ng blood oxygen. So of course, pwede pa tayong mag-customize dito if you want. We also got here yung ating activity for the day and customize yung ating mga shortcuts sa unahan. So you can see in here, there we go. That's the application or the app menu. We got here different applications. I've downloaded different applications on the Huawei app gallery. So of course, you need to connect it to your smartphone. So since wala tayong SIM card dito, I'm using my smartphone as the connection dito sa Huawei Watch 3, and then the watch is actually connected to Wi-Fi connection dito sa aming bahay. So yan, marami na namang applications pre-installed. There are a lot of applications that will be coming to the Huawei Watch 3. So magabang-abang lang tayo, but it's nice to see that the Huawei Watch 3 has applications already on the app gallery. Of course, we got here the petal maps na kasama doon sa Huawei app gallery. I've downloaded that one. And of course, we got here the air pressure and the barometer. Ayan, so altitude, the air pressure, you could see that, perfect for hiking. This one is for, of course, the heart rate sensor. We also got here yung ating workout records. And since we got here an eSIM card, unfortunately, hindi pre-install dito yung ating eSIM card. Kailangan pa natin maglagay. This one comes with the contacts, the keypad, and the call logs. But of course, I can use this one to answer calls if someone's calling on my smartphone. Meron din tayo ng iba't iba pang application like the stress monitor. We also got here the compass, again, sa mga nagwo-workout. And then, of course, meron tayo ditong music player, the workout, the activity, the blood oxygen. Pinakita ko na sa inyo kanina, we got here the notepad for our recordings, the sleep tracker that that is really essential sa mga nagkakamera ng insomnia. Of course, meron tayo ditong fatigue. Ayan, makikita nyo dito yung inyong training load. Basically, if you're doing workouts. We also got here the contact. So this one comes with a contact. So yan, marami kayong pwedeng makita dito sa contacts. So this one is the contact. So basically, we got here the contacts. Everything na meron kayo dito sa phone nyo, pwede nyo siyang ma-check out dito sa Huawei Watch 3. Of course, meron tayo ditong breathe, so para makapag-relax kayo. And of course, we got here the settings, the alarm, the weather, the timer, the stopwatch. So basically, this one has a really good AMOLED display. So as you can see in here, I've connected this one to our Wi-Fi. This one is connected on Bluetooth. And if you got an eSIM, you could use the mobile network. And of course, you can customize the tiles, the display, the brightness, and everything. So basically, everything is really good dito sa Huawei Watch 3. It has a really nice design. I like the features of it. I like the applications pre-installed on this one. Of course, yung mga makikita natin features dito so Huawei Watch 3, it's very, very interesting. So for now, yung palang yung mapapakita ko sa inyo. But of course, we will do a review of the Huawei Watch 3 on our website soon at jamonline.ph. So yeah, I guess that's it dito sa ating unboxing and hands-on of the Huawei Watch 3. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and be sure to click that subscribe button along with that bell button to get notified of our latest videos here in my YouTube channel. So once again, I am jamonline.ph. Thank you for watching and see you guys again sa susunod na video.